Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Notebooklm to create an ebook. To get started, open Notebooklm in your browser. This is where you'll organize source material and use AI tools to help turn ideas into a more structured ebook format. Once the site loads, look to the top right corner and click Create New. This opens a fresh notebook, giving you a clean workspace to begin building your project. Next, paste in sample YouTube videos. The goal here is to bring in source content that Notebooklm can reference and analyze. If you're using videos as inspiration or research material for your ebook, this step helps the platform understand the topic you want to develop. As you add these sources, make sure they are relevant and focused, since better source material usually leads to more useful summaries and suggestions later on. After your sample videos are added, look for the sample suggestion from the AI and click it to make your request more specific. This part is important because the more clearly you guide the AI, the better it can help shape your content. If the suggested prompt helps narrow the topic, improve the angle, or define the structure more clearly, selecting it can save time and improve the quality of the output. Think of this as refining the direction of your ebook before you generate supporting material. Once that is done, go to the top area of the notebook and click Audio Overview. This feature can be useful if you want a spoken summary of the content or a different way to review your material. Hearing the information out loud can sometimes make it easier to spot gaps, repetition, or sections that may need to be clarified before turning everything into a polished ebook. After that, move to the top right and click Video Overview. This gives you another format for reviewing the notebook content. Using both audio and video overviews can help you better understand how the information is being presented and whether it flows in a way that makes sense for readers. It's a simple but helpful way to evaluate your content from different angles before moving on to writing and formatting. And that's the process for using Notebooklm to begin creating an ebook. By setting up a new notebook, adding video sources, refining the AI suggestions, and reviewing the material through audio and video overviews, you create a stronger foundation for your ebook project. Take your time with each stage, and make sure your inputs are clear and relevant for the best results.